You have more to keep clean than just your clothes. With the fastest cycle of any front-load washer and dryer, you can wash in 15 minutes and dry in 14 minutes. The Electrolux front-load washer has a cycle for virtually anything and delivers the cleanest front-load wash in the industry. It has advanced specialty cycles like fresh rinse. This washer is uniquely designed with a separate water valve for the fresh rinse cycle, delivering truly fresh water to rinse the soap off your clothes, unlike normal washers and dryers. From bedding to towels and whites to clothes that help you look your best, the after-school game uniform, your dinner party linens, and quickly wash that favorite dress for today's birthday party. Plus, the washer also has more room than any front-load washer, cleaning more clothes in fewer loads. And the optional pedestal drawer's flat-top design provides a platform for easy loading and unloading. Electrolux. Be even more amazing.